Airports are filled with secrets, but not the kind they want you to know. From shocking hidden fees to security loopholes that could ruin your trip, the airlines are hoping you never find out. Did you know your carry-on might secretly be breaking the rules? Or that some airport security measures are actually just designed to make you spend more money? And what if I told you there's a secret way to access VIP lounges without a first-class ticket? Before we get into it, hit that subscribe button and let's expose what really happens behind airport doors. This airport hack is so simple, so genius, you'll wish you knew it sooner. Tired of staring at departure boards, scrambling to find gate changes and baggage info? Yeah, forget all that. Before heading to the airport, text yourself your flight number. Your phone will auto-convert it into a clickable link. No apps, no hassle. Tap it and boom, real-time flight updates, all in one place. Gate changes, delays, baggage claim, it's all there, live. Even better, share that link with family, your ride, whoever needs to track your flight. One tap, zero stress. Peace of mind for everyone. Let's talk about the worst surprise at the airport. Baggage fees that drain your wallet before your trip even starts. Airlines are cracking down harder than ever on carry-on sizes. And trust me, those extra fees add up fast. Before you even touch your suitcase, use your phone's built-in measure app to check your bag size. Double-check your carry-on and personal item. Airlines are more ruthless than ever with those just 1 inch too big bags. Not sure about size limits? Don't guess. Only trust the airline's official website. And here's the kicker. Many economy tickets don't even include a free carry-on anymore. Read the fine print before you book. We've all been there, trapped in a never-ending traffic jam at airport departures, watching the clock tick down to disaster. Next time you fly, especially during peak hours, tell your ride to skip the madness. Drop you at arrivals instead. Why? Because while departures look like a war zone, arrivals? Practically empty. Get dropped at arrivals, glide through the terminal, and hop on the escalator straight up to departures. No stress, no chaos. Works like magic, every single time. And if you're getting picked up during rush hour, flip the trick. Meet your ride at departures instead of fighting through arrivals. Hold up. Did you know Google Maps is not just for navigating the outside world? This app is your secret weapon for conquering the airport. Before you leave the house, open up Google Maps and search for your airport. Type in your gate number and Google Maps will reveal the airport's inner sanctum, complete with indoor maps showing security checkpoints, lounges, restaurants, and restrooms. You can even use it to calculate walking distances between gates. Need a moment of zen amidst the chaos? Most airports have a chapel, a quiet oasis hidden in plain sight. Let's clear up a common misconception that could cost you your flight. Your flight's departure time is not the time you should be chilling at the gate. Airlines love to close those gate doors early, leaving unsuspecting passengers stranded. For domestic flights, boarding typically closes 10 to 15 minutes before departure. International flights, even earlier. Set an alarm on your phone for 1 hour before departure. That's your cue to start heading towards the gate. But don't park yourself at the gate hours early either. Gate agents often use early birds for checking oversized bags. Timing is everything, folks. Listen up, because this next hack is for those times when you need to interact with an actual human at the airport. Instead of joining the first line you see, position yourself in the line closest to the business or first-class check-in desk. Once those high-roller passengers are taken care of, agents will often call over people from the nearest economy line to keep things moving. You'll get through faster and likely be helped by a more senior agent. Just make sure you're in the correct economy line. Don't block the priority lane unless you've got a first-class ticket. Here's the lowdown. Most airlines allow you to bring 2 carry-on items, 1 personal item and 1 carry-on bag. But here's the loophole. You can actually get away with bringing a 3rd small bag, like a crossbody purse or a mini backpack. The TSA doesn't care how many bags you drag through security. Their concern is what's inside. Pack your 3rd bag inside your designated personal item before you board, and boom! You've just smuggled in an extra bag without paying a dime. Airlines are all about those bag fees, but now you know better. Oh, that perfect pre-trip excitement. Your bags are packed, your route is planned, and this vacation is going to be unforgettable. Or at least, it should be. But one tiny mistake could ruin your trip before you even step on the plane. Don't worry, I've got you covered. These genius travel hacks will save you time, money, and stress, plus a few that airlines don't want you to know. And number 7, most travelers have no idea it even exists. So stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive in. Want to actually sleep comfortably on a flight? Try this. Tie a scarf, belt, or small blanket under the tray table to make a DIY foot hammock. It relieves leg pressure, prevents swelling, and feels shockingly comfortable on long flights. Bonus tip. If you're flying with kids, inflatable airplane mattresses can turn their seat into a mini bed. Game changer for restless little travelers. Coffee lovers, brace yourselves. Never drink coffee on a plane. At high altitudes, the air is as dry as the Sahara Desert. Your body dehydrates much faster. And coffee? It speeds up dehydration even more. Instead, always bring bottled water. But here's the TSA loophole they don't tell you. Frozen liquids are allowed through security. Freeze your water bottle before heading to the airport, and you're good to go. Hate bland airplane food? Here's why it tastes awful. At 35,000 feet, your taste buds go numb, so airlines oversalt everything. But here's the trick. Ask for a special meal. Vegetarian, kosher, etc. when booking your flight. These meals are made fresh, served first, and actually taste better than the regular menu. Try it once. You'll never eat economy class food again. If you ever feel nauseous while flying, here's a simple fix. Peppermint oil. A tiny drop on a tissue or wrist can instantly calm nausea and motion sickness. Pro traveler. Tip. Can't bring liquids? Soak a tissue with peppermint oil before your flight and keep it in your pocket. Works just the same. Struggle with jet lag. Here's what pro travelers do. Hack. Do an intense workout or cardio session before your flight. Why? Your body will be exhausted, making it easier to sleep and adjust to the new time zone. This is a game changer for long-haul flights. Ever feel rushed at airport security? Here's the hack. Wear a jacket with large pockets and put your phone, passport, and wallet inside. When you get to TSA, just throw the entire jacket onto the scanner belt instead of fumbling with trays. Why it works. You'll breeze through security while everyone else is still digging through their bags. Baggage goes missing every single day, but not yours if you do this. Before heading to the airport, take a photo of your suitcase. This makes it 10 times easier for airline staff to track it if it gets lost. Even better, get an AirTag or GPS tracker inside your bag. You'll know exactly where it is at all times. Airlines give out free stuff all the time, but only if you ask. What you can get for free: snacks and drinks, kids' toys, coloring books and puzzles, eye masks, earplugs, and even pajamas on some long-haul flights. Just ask a flight attendant. You'd be shocked what they have in stock. Most people waste layovers sitting at the airport, but you don't have to. Did you know many airlines offer free hotel stays, meals, and city tours if your layover is over 8 hours? Example. Turkish Airlines provides free hotel stays in Istanbul. Qatar Airways offers free stopovers in Doha, luxury hotel included. Always check the airline's website before booking. You might just get a mini vacation for free. Want to save up to 10% on every flight? Never book your ticket at full price. Book flights on Tuesday afternoons when airlines drop new deals. Use a VPN to check prices in different countries. Sometimes tickets are cheaper if booked from another location. And always clear your browser cookies. Airlines track your searches and raise prices if you keep checking the same route. There you have it. 21 travel hacks to save you time, money, and stress. Which one blew your mind the most? Drop a yes in the comments if you're using any of these hacks on your next trip. And before you go, check out these other genius travel tips. Just click to the left or right. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video.